Hey, it's your girl Drew Sidora, and I'm back with another hair diary moment. I am so happy right now because this is just a blow dry. This is just a blow dry. I washed my hair with the Sweet Ginger cleansing rinse. I conditioned it with the Moroccan pear conditioning custard. It's got my hair so soft right now. I haven't even flat ironed it. I don't even need to flat iron. Well, you already know I use the Rejuva Drops, the Grow Back, for my edges and my scalp, and I'm going to continue to blow dry my hair and use the Ultimate Growth Serum because I do want more length. I want to grow my hair out. Like I said, I clip my ends, but I can already tell you from just washing it and conditioning with the Camile Rose, my hair is so soft. I'm so happy right now. So I'm gonna blow dry the rest of my hair and come back and show you guys how to use the Ultimate Growth Serum. Aight? Yes. Can we just get into this movement? Look at the body. It feels so soft. It is just voluptuous. It looks healthy. I am just happy right now. I'm going to use Ultimate Growth Serum and just treat my hair. So, yes. I am loving my natural hair right now. I can comb through it. It feels so soft, y'all. Like, I never like to wear my natural hair because I feel like I look like I'm 12. But I don't know. Camile Rose got me wanting to wear my natural hair. I'm feeling like a little sexy because the hair is right. So y'all just got a whole tutorial. You got the products, you know what to use, you know what to get. You get it from Target. Get the Grow Grease. Get into the Grow Grease. It felt so amazing going on my scalp. Like it was just so soothing. So that is definitely my go-to product. Whole regimen is working for me. So you see this healthy hair. It looks healthy. It feels healthy. And I am just very, very happy. In the meantime, I'm about to call my stylist. We're going to go into a braid down. I'm going to rock this for the rest of the day. And I'm super happy. So rewatch this video. Thank y'all for experiencing this with me. Peace.